Start with the left side.
Are you getting yours back?
No, just
Why not?
I don't know.
Did you try piercing your left side?
Think about it.
I have no idea.
Oh, is it done?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
She just put a mark on.
And you got a crowd.
How do your parents feel about this?
He called them.
Oh, good. Well, can we get yours, Chris? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, look at where they're at.
Next time you drink a beer,
Okay.
The left side, please.
You want the left side done first?
No, that's right.
Oh God, I'm
left.
thinking my left. Sorry.
Are you sure?
is that the right one?
It's it.
Is that it?
That was it.
Yeah, you didn't even barely move. I want my money back.
All done.